The global community is witnessing a particular inclination towards blockchain technology. Most advanced projects like that of cryptocurrency are using technology to bring fast-paced transactions in the world. The blockchain helps enhance trust in record-keeping along with financial transactions. With the world getting excited about blockchain, informing the audience about its basics, foundation, and workability is essential. To define blockchain, it is a distributed database shared among the nodes of the system network. It is considered the system of recording information so that manipulating and changing it is impossible. It is one of the reasons blockchain technology is more secure than any other technique in the world. The decentralized nature of blockchain states that it is not owned by a single entity or a group of people. The control is divided among the owners. As a cryptocurrency, the transactions are recorded permanently and viewable by everyone. Moreover, the intermediary can affect the value of a coin, for instance, the government or a bank. As a shared and immutable ledger for recording transactions, the blockchain stores the information electronically in a digital format. Blockchain technology is known for its impeccable role in cryptocurrency for offering a decentralized record of transactions. One of the most significant differences between a typical database and blockchain is the structure. The blockchain collects the information in groups, which are blocks. Blocks hold sets of information, and they have specific storage capacities. As blocks are filled, they are closed and linked with the previous block, thus forming a blockchain. The process continues, and new information becomes part of the blockchain. The blocks are connected to form blockchain and are linked via cryptography. Additionally, the information on the blocks is the number of transactions. As soon as the new transaction takes place on the blockchain, the record is added to every participant's ledger. The decentralized database handled by participants is known to us as the distributed ledger technology. There is a diverse range of properties associated with distributed ledger technology. For once, it is programmable that includes smart contracts. Smart contracts are programs that are stored on the blockchain that run as smooth as the predetermined conditions are met. Acting as a transaction protocol, the program intends to control, execute, and control the terms of a contract or an agreement. The following property on the list is distributed. All network participants have a copy of the ledger for all the transactions occurring in the market. The distributed ledger technology is also immutable, which states that all validated records are irreversible and no one can manipulate them. Additionally, the transaction timestamp is recorded on each block and individually encrypted, making the process secure. The network participants agree to the validity of the records. Furthermore, the identity of the participants is either anonymous or pseudonymous. The different traits of distributed ledger technology give an idea that if one block was changed, the whole blockchain system is under a threat of data tampering and hacking. To hack the blockchain, the hackers have to change every block in the blockchain. Blockchain is essential for some reasons. As a business run on information, the faster it is received with accuracy, the better it is. For the same reason, blockchain is used to provide secure, immediate, and transparent information. The immutable ledger is only accessed by permissioned network members, keeping it safe from prying eyes. One can rely on a blockchain network to track orders, make and receive payments, and establish accounts. The use cases of blockchain in diverse real-world applications are too good to be true. For instance, blockchain technology is used in money transfer, secure medical data sharing, music royalty sharing, NFT marketplaces, cross-border payments, and real-time IoT operating systems. Additionally, blockchain has a fair share of workability in anti-money laundering tracking systems, personal identity security, supply chain, and logistics monitoring. With that being said, crypto exchanges are one of the most workable usages of blockchain technology, and it has completely changed the outlook of the crypto world. Apart from this, blockchain offers its unmatched traits in voting mechanism, real estate processing, advertising insights, and content creation. While we are on the subject of workability and use cases of blockchain, it is mandatory to inform the viewers about the extensive benefits of this technology. It wouldn't be wrong to claim that blockchain technology is being used in every mechanism to ensure security with a fast-paced process and limited hacking force. With blockchain, members have greater trust as they can have access to timely and accurate data. The confidential blockchain records would be shared with a network that you have granted access to. Another advantage of blockchain is protection and safety. As transactions are recorded permanently, no one can delete a transaction. Not even a system administrator can change or manipulate the record. Thirdly, there is more effectiveness in the field of blockchain. The time-wasting record reconciliations are eliminated, and transactions are speeded through smart contracts. Furthermore, a significant amount of costs are cut as manual tasks are handled by the technology. For example, aggregating and amending data, reporting, and auditing processes. The costs are also limited as services from all the middlemen, vendors, and third-party providers are not needed. More importantly, the value of an asset is converted into digital token and shared via blockchain. The innovation factor in blockchain technology plays a vital role in changing the traditional system of processing transactions. Moreover, the individual has control over one's digital data. The individual people or organizations make the conscious decision of what they want to share and with whom. However, there are multiple disadvantages connected with the usage of blockchain. For starters, some blockchain solutions consume a lot of energy. The immutability negatively affects blockchain, as there is more vulnerability if one person owns more than 50% of nodes. As everyone has the right to privacy, the factor of immutability raises this problem multifold. Additionally, there are some efficiency and productivity concerns. There are low transactions per second, and there is a history of illicit activities via the dark web. Moreover, there are some data storage limitations as well. The technology cost is also high. Therefore, before investing in the blockchain, the users are expected to review the cons with the pros. It wouldn't be wrong to state that blockchain is the future. The usage in business and investment could be the real deal for beginners and experts in the field.